Hey guys, I'll be making stuffed plantain boats today. First things first, get your plantains, wash, peel, and cut them, and then set them in your air fryer or in your oven. Allow that to cook for like 30 minutes. Then make your sauce or filling. I'll be making mine with tomatoes, onions, pepper, and simple seasoning, thyme, Maggi cubes, no cubes, and sardines. So once that's ready, my plantain is ready. I just open the center and then I put the filling in between, and voila, my stuffed plantain boat is ready.